Global enterprises are keen to attend this year's China International Import Expo, CIIE, in November, seeking to tap the huge Chinese market, as the country continues to open its doors wider to the world. According to the event's organizers, 85% of the planned enterprise exhibition area has been booked for the 5th CIIE. CIIE Bureau Deputy Director Sun Cheng-hai told a press briefing on Wednesday marking the event's 100-day countdown that over 270 Fortune 500 companies and industry-leading enterprises have confirmed their participation in the event.
第5届进博会将于今年11月5日到10日在上海举办。目前各项工作进展顺利。
Sun added that nearly 90% of Fortune 500 companies and industry-leading enterprises that have attended the previous import expos have confirmed their participation this year. Some Fortune 500 companies including Rio Tinto, BHP Billiton and GLOBALink will participate in the event for the first time. The enthusiasm of the global enterprises attending the Import Expo is based on China's booming market.
The German Chamber has participated from the very beginning of the CIIE. We, with our office in Shanghai, organized the first German pavilion at the first CIIE, and quite successful, I have to say. I've been already 3 times to CIIE, and every time I've been there I was very much impressed, because what you see is a diverse picture of many countries participating, showcasing their newest technologies, especially in the field of high-tech and decarbonization. For German companies, CIIE participation paid off and was successful in many ways. German companies see the growth market of the future of the next decade in China, and that's why German companies are very much eager to see and participate in the development of China.
赴任直後、上海プルトン国際空港に着陸し、自分の目に飛び込んできたのは新時代ゴンシャンウェイライの文字でした。私は赴任当初、いつの日か中国国際輸入博覧会に出展したいと強く思ったのを覚えています。今回もですね、住友電工グループは海底ケーブル向けの光ファイバー癒着接続機、そして水処理施設の都市インフラのコンセプトを展示させていただきました。市政府環境局などからの多数のお問い合わせをいただいております。中国国際輸入博覧会には様々な学びがあり、発見があり、そして人との出会いがあります。中国国際輸入博覧会はプラットフォームにあります通り、出展者と購入者をつなげる機会を提供いただくことができます。
Apart from the 6-day expo, Shanghai has set up 60 regular trading platforms for the exhibitors. Official data show that over the years, the platforms have imported 248 billion yuan worth of goods.